The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has been making headlines with its impressive performance on the platform, particularly in the US model, which showcases the capabilities of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. With peak scores of 3,148 for single-core and 10,236 for multi-core, the S25 Ultra is setting new standards for smartphone performance. It's important to note that these scores are from early benchmarks and are expected to improve further with optimization. Design leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 series will feature slimmer bezels and a refined design. The S25 and S25 Plus are expected to have triple rear cameras, while the Ultra model will boast 4 sensors with upgrades on 2 lenses. Additionally, the standard models will have rounded corners, whereas the Ultra will have a boxier shape, giving it a more distinctive look. Samsung has officially canceled the Exynos 2500 chip for its Galaxy S25 lineup, marking a departure from its previous strategy of splitting chipsets between Snapdragon and Exynos models by region. The Galaxy S25 series will now exclusively feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip worldwide, ensuring a more consistent and high-performance experience for users across all markets. This move also highlights Samsung's commitment to optimizing its flagship devices with Qualcomm's cutting-edge technology, potentially addressing prior concerns about performance disparities between Exynos and Snapdragon models. In terms of display, Samsung has chosen M13 OLED panels for the Galaxy S25 series rather than the newer, more power-efficient M14 OLED panels. Interestingly, Samsung is supplying these M14 panels to Apple for the iPhone 16 Pro lineup, a decision likely influenced by cost considerations. While M14 panels boast around 20% better power efficiency, the M13 panels used in the S25 series are still expected to deliver excellent visual quality, including vivid colors and sharp clarity, in line with Samsung's reputation for top-tier display technology. Overall, a switch to a single Snapdragon chipset combined with a reliable M13 OLED panels points to a strategy focused on delivering consistent, high-performance devices. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip promises to significantly boost both processing power and power efficiency, offsetting some of the energy differences between M13 and M14 panels. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to receive 5 key upgrades: a 6.86-inch display with a flat frame and refined LED composition for better visuals and feel, a 45% performance boost, and a 44% improvement in power efficiency thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite, a 200MP main camera, a new 50MP ultra-wide lens, and overall improved video and photo quality. The same 5,000 mAh battery capacity with 45 kW fast charging, but software optimizations may extend battery life, and new graphical changes, improved settings, AI enhancements, satellite connectivity, and advanced security features with One UI 7. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse device with significant upgrades in display, performance, camera, battery, and software. With the exclusive use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip globally, users can expect a consistent and high-performing experience. As we approach the expected launch date in January 2025, more leaks and rumors are likely to surface, giving us a clearer picture of what Samsung has in store. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for the latest tech news and rumors.